Hi. Hi.
Whoosh. What's up, guys?
So we have got इतने दिनों से रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे थे जब मैं सिंगल सोलो लाइव जा रही थी कि यू नो शौर्य केवी के साथ लाइव आओ, केवी के साथ लाइव आओ. Presenting you, KV.
What's up, guys?
What would you like to say, sir?
पता नहीं तेरे can I read your messages? ये तेरा फोन में मतलब
हाँ.
कितने लोगों के मैसेज आते हैं बड़े बड़े लोग कौन है बड़े से बड़े बड़े लोग
Okay,
How
my
are you
friends
guys?
are also joining Amir.
Hi guys, what's up? First of all, thank you very, very much for going live because the kind of love that you guys have showered on us the whole day. And we love you too. And thank you so much.
इतने सारे mentions and everything that you have been doing. So we thought कि क्यों ना आज एक साथ live जाया जाए because एक तो मैं अकेले live आती हूँ तो you know most of the time तो फिर मैं क्या बोलूँ कि केवी के साथ कब live आ रही हूँ. So presenting you KV.
Thank you. This is for you as a gift from my audience. Open it for me and put it in my drink. मेरे से नहीं खुल रहा है. Hi guys, what's up? I'm taking over. कोशिश करेगी and she's gonna fail on a live. That's gonna be fun. अबे दे यार. आधी मैंने तो मैंने पूरी कर दी थी उसकी.
क्या क्या काम में लगा दिया ये.
अरे नहीं होगा. जो दिखाती है कि बहुत स्ट्रांग है. Let's see how strong. Shit. मैंने बोला था आधी मैंने पूरी कर दी थी. अनुज आजा मेरे रूम में आजा. I would never. I don't know if I would ever say that. Anuj, you're both welcome to join.
Please tell me where are you guys shooting?
Where are we shooting? आ जाओ भैया.
नहीं मतलब तू शूट लोकेशन के बारे में पूछ रहा है या फिर
शूटिंग लोकेशन के बारे में
लाइव लोकेशन के बारे में पूछ रहा है.
वो पता है उसके बारे में पूछ रहे हैं जिसके बारे में हम दोनों को आइडिया नहीं है कि वो कहाँ शूट कर रहा है.
नहीं सॉरी.
अच्छा क्या बात कुछ.
अरे यूसुफ सर.
अरे यूसुफ सर. यूसुफ सर being यूसुफ अंसारी. He's got his own clothing label, it feels. Love you, sir. Miss you so much.
ये ना थोड़ा दूर रखते वरना हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. अभी it's better.
Yeah.
No ma'am and sir.
Anuj Kohli sir, big fan of you. Big fan.
हम फैन है सर.
We had such a blast shooting with Anuj recently. I had a blast. I have a blast with everybody, with the Batman, the entire crew. But Anuj को तंग करने में अलग ही मजा है मेरा. So a lot of fun. We just recently shot and he's such a brilliant guy. So
Yes,
any questions? Let's take
KV
some
together.
questions.
Hi both of you. Hello. ऐसे questions नहीं नीचे like ask them to you know question.
नहीं ये है ना question का.
Please Shaurya. I was reading it very you know एकदम seriously read कर रही थी.
आज today's episode
बहुत
अच्छा था. Q&A has started. Okay. Today's episode बहुत अच्छा था. ये तो सिर्फ कह दिया, question नहीं पूछा, exclamation मार दिया. Thank you so much. First of all. Yeah.
Oh shit. We love you guys. Even we love you guys.
हाँ तो let it come on screen at least. अरे
हाँ तो आ नहीं रहा है क्या?
हाँ. No, I mean we love you in general.
Yeah.
तो you know और आज का भी एपिसोड बहुत love you टाइप का था क्योंकि देखो 15 मिनट तो आपने इन्वेस्ट किए हैं जब मैं I love you बोल रहा हूँ. You know, it was so funny ना when we were doing it. I love you. Like, ये कितनी बार लिख के आया भाई.
Repeat में जा
It is a different world when we are shooting, you know, and in a normal circumstance we would have loved for you guys to be there and see the actual behind the scenes because हम लोग जो बनाते हैं वो बहुत ही snippet और fraction of a
आज ना मैंने
moment
देखा
होता है.
जो वो हम एक्चुअली में जो गिर गए थे ना वो आ गया उन्होंने वो शॉट रख दिया.
You know मैं जब गिर रहा था ना तो मैं खुद हाई स्पीड में सोच रहा था ये लगने वाला है शायद, you know. So I lost balance, guys, you know. I am such a strong man. True and honest confession. So I mean, I fell and I've gotten hurt badly, you know, on that. But it's okay. Anything for कहते हैं ना चलता है. Anything for cinema. कोई और मैसेज कर रहा होगा, एक और बार गिर गया सर. एक सेकंड और क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं.
I love the way. Thank you so much.
हाय सु करुचु.
मतलब
हाय सु
क्या कर
करुचु
रहे हो
किसी
ना,
ने कहा.
मतलब
हाँ ये क्या कर रहे हो पता
हम
नहीं यार.
live
मुझे
में
मुझे
ही आ
जिंदगी
रहे
में नहीं
हैं.
पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, तो तुम्हें क्या बता सकता हूँ मैं. एक सेकंड. ओके वन सेकंड. यू हैव किल्ड अस टुडे पहले एपिसोड से और अब ये लाइव आके.
है ना?
यस है ना. बहुत वेले लोग हैं हम लोग. नहीं बट सीरियसली वी वांटेड टू जस्ट अप्रिशिएट ऑल योर एफर्ट्स एंड यू नो.
Basically, we just wanted to thank you for supporting us so much, for loving us so much, for motivating us so much all the time.
Yes, of course. अब I get really motivated in the morning.
अच्छा अच्छा. So I was
सुबह
like, yes,
सुबह.
yes, of course.
हाँ सुबह सुबह ही मैं मोटिवेट हो जाता हूँ क्योंकि सबसे पहले मैं ट्विटर खोलता हूँ. और वहीं 6 बजे से लेके यू गाइस गिव अस सो मच लव यार. इट्स लाइक सो स्वीट.
I'm more into Instagram though, more than
हाय वेलोसिटी ब्लेजर्स. अच्छा व्हाट्स अप गाइस. मुंबई में कब शूट करोगे आप लोग. बहुत जल्द यार. आई एम वेटिंग. आई एम लाइक मिसिंग होम. एंड वी ऑल आर.
अनोखी शादी को मानेगी क्या, उसके लिए देखते रहिए शौर्य और अनोखी की कहानी स्टार्ट.
शादी को मानेगी. अरे मना के रहेंगे भाई. हम कम है क्या. एक सेकंड. Let's get some questions in.
What?
Alright, guys, put some questions there. You're putting so much of love, but with BTS, we want BTS. हाँ बस वही करते रहे हम लोग. चलो कर लेंगे आप लोग के लिए कुछ भी. गोवा में शूटिंग कर रहे हो आप लोग. No, we're not shooting in Goa, but we cannot tell you where we are shooting. It's a secret place.
Yeah.
It's got fairies and dinosaurs and all of that. No, that is just my secret place. Yes. I have fairies in my secret place. Is that right? What am I saying? So we both are like
Love
so tired.
from Silchar.
We saw your foot got stuck. अरे तुमने नोटिस किया. अच्छा very good.
कहाँ पे कब. मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया भाई. कब.
अच्छा ये तो मैं अपने लिए डाल दिया. चल ठीक है. थैंक यू. ये तो नीचे ही आपने कमेंट दे दिया है. उसको चेंज करते हैं. Okay, let's read their comments यार. ये सब
Yeah, your show is one of the best shows currently. Thank you. I love you guys. मतलब we love you guys.
हाँ, she loves you more, I guess.
Yeah, I do. क्या you are not saying how do you अच्छा we feel amazing यार. एक साथ हम मस्ती भी करते रहते हैं and you know we are doing our shorts.
So I'm just chilling with her because she just recently did a RT-PCR. इसलिए हम लोग you know safety first. तो क्या है ना कि हम लोग को आना ही था. एक्चुअली मेरा ही आइडिया था यहाँ आने का because the kind of request that you guys have given and obviously with her also जो मैंने कहा
you guys missed the watch party.
वॉच पार्टी. यस एक्चुअली क्या था कि वॉच पार्टी आई थी कुछ सुबह के वक्त रखी थी आप लोगों ने. आई थिंक इट वाज 6 in the morning एंड वहाँ तो मेरी ड्रीम्स में पार्टी होती रहती है. सो यस we couldn't make it, but let's do it again. Yeah, let's do it again. है ना, do a watch party for the Monday episode or something. Looking forward to it.
How do we do a watch?
Hi Shivika, how are you doing? We'll do it. No, we'll get up for them. Don't sleep on me. है ना?
Any spoiler alert? You know why should we? देखते रहो.
Why should we means उसको दे देते हैं ना स्पॉइलर.
क्या
आपको मैं एक
spoiler
स्पॉइलर देता हूँ. आहिर वाला सीन बताते हैं उसको.
नहीं.
अरे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था यार. अरे नहीं मुझे बताना यार.
नहीं.
आहिर.
नहीं.
So me and Hitesh, Mr. Hitesh, we have a lot of fun. We have a lot of banter going on, and that guy is very, supportive. At the same time, he's very, he's very dedicated. तो मुझे ना जितने भी dedicated actor मिलते हैं ना तो उनके साथ खास मजाक मस्ती मुझे करना अच्छा लगता है. And he's also, you know, the kind of conversations we have, मतलब वो scene कुछ कितने मिनट का वो, it just went on, right? Yeah, so we've had like some random banter, random dialogues. So I hope it makes it with a cut if it's worth it. तो तुम लोग भी बहुत enjoy करोगे. So we're having a lot of give and take with Ahir, and Ahir is also going to do something unpredictable.
Yeah.
What is that unpredictable thing that Ahir is going to do? Predictability. Ahir अनोखी को प्रपोज करेगा नहीं यार, उससे ज्यादा करने वाला है कुछ, मुझे लगता है. वो आई थिंक अनोखी की बहन की सर में मांग भर देगा.
मैं
और कोई चॉइस नहीं है ना उसके पास. ये शौर्य तो करने नहीं देगा. अनुज, मैम एंड सर प्लीज से माय नेम. अनुज.
अनुज.
कितने अनुज किस्म के इंसान हो. अनुज आजा यार. How was your experience of shooting in different places?
Oh God.
यार it's really been a roller coaster यार, सच में. You know, so many emotions. हम लोग वैसे भी क्या हो रहा है जिंदगी में ऐसा देख के चलते हैं तो पता चलता है कि you know, all these emotions, all these things, I think somewhere it also betters you as an artist. That's what I've personally felt, that, you know, staying away from family, a different world, and then you going and living this character in a different situation. I think somewhere it's also helped me, you know, build my character differently. And obviously I've to, matlab, yeah, it's been a roller coaster, yeah, for I think all of us.
Yeah.
Deva, please sing a song. We would love to hear you sing a song, ma'am. Just anything, you know, your recent found. आप है नहीं लाइफ में. एक सेकंड, ये इधर है.
तब से मैं खुद को फ्रेम इन करने की कोशिश कर रही
तो
थी.
मैंने ओके सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट.
तब से
आपका
मैं खुद
फोन
को
है.
फ्रेम इन करने की कोशिश, मैं बार बार ऐसे ऐसे फोन सेट कर रही थी, एंड
अच्छा,
जितना मैं
ठीक है.
फ्रेम इन करने की कोशिश
देखिए
करती
आप
हूँ
आगे
ऐसे हो
फ्रेम
जाते
में.
हैं.
हाँ देखिए, देखिए आ गए, अभी आ गए, देखिए. हाँ थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
We are buddies, yeah, you know, like she's very sweet और बहुत down to earth है. I think that's why we've like, और एकदम बिल्कुल बच्ची है, तो ठीक है, अच्छा लगता है. She's like very chill, yeah, you know, मेरे मजाक मस्ती में भी सपोर्टिव रहती है. कोई और एक्टर होता तो मतलब प्रोड्यूसर को फोन कर देता. तंग करना अच्छा लगता है, वो मेरा फेवरेट पास टाइम है. Hello, hello.
Hi.
How you guys doing? Okay, one second. Let's take some people live, yeah. Let's do that.
Okay.
That'll be fun. Let's get into all of that now. One second. Join. किसको join करें? Shall we join somebody?
I don't know, there are so many.
This one?
Let's do to one of my friends. Like, I don't
Yes.
know whether we can invite or not.
Yes. See, देखो मेरी लाइफ पे जाते ना तो मैं तो फैंस को लेता, अपने अपने फ्रेंड को लेता.
I don't know, all of a sudden I felt like, because
Yeah, you don't chat with your friend.
पता नहीं आएगी या नहीं. नहीं.
देखो लाइफ पे तुम्हारे साथ क्या क्या हरकतें हो रही हैं. तुम्हारे दोस्त ही तो तुम्हारा पीछा छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. कैसे दोस्त हैं तुम्हारे?
एक सेकंड, तो फिर let's.
So live with somebody else.
Yeah.
Hi, Isha. Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
No Bengali, because he won't be able to speak
Yeah.
in Bengali.
It's okay,
I
but I
know.
understand
That
everything.
was my-
Say anything you want in Bengali. I'll say yo. Acha.
No problem. We are all sitting and watching her live. We are all like, you know, great fans of her. So my parents and all of us, we are just sitting and watching her live and everything.
Wow.
You know,
I
like,
thought you
we
were
don't
her
miss-
friend. So you're also a fan.
Yeah.
Are you a fan
Yeah.
first? No, you're
She's
a
a
fan.
friend first.
You're a friend first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you now you become a
So-
fan. मतलब finally
Yeah.
उसने जिंदगी में अच्छा कुछ कर लिया है. मतलब
Absolutely. No, वो पहले से talented थी. I was the one who used to, like encourage her and push her as well. And
Yeah,
like
that तो
it feels, it
तो
feels
तुम
very
दोस्त तो इसमें
nostalgic.
बोलोगे ही यार। देखो, मुझे मालूम है तुम्हें लाइव ही इसलिए लिया है ताकि तुम उसकी है ना बेहतर बातें करो, है ना?
कुछ
अरे
भी
नहीं,
इनफैक्ट थोड़े टाइम में
and I
2-4 और
was
दोस्त आ जाएंगे। मेरे दोस्त कहाँ हैं यार?
कुछ भी
अरे somebody support me। सिर्फ एक अनुज है जो बिग फैन बोलता रहता है मुझे।
No,
हाँ?
trust me. Like previously, my mom has never said this, but after seeing you, my mom is like, इसको भी देखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो we are like always focused on, Mishti. We call her Mishti. So we are always
Yeah.
focused and we are always
पहले
looking at her on
दिन
screen.
ही इसने भर्ता कर दिया, मुझे बता दिया। और कोई मुझे अपना पेटने बोलता है तो उसके साथ क्या मस्ती होती है,
अरे
मिस्टी होती है,
अब
मस्ती होती
अब तो सबको पता चल गया।
है। Yeah.
So,
अरे
my mom is like, no, we have to look at him also. He's equally good on this and that because our focus and attention is just on her. So, that way.
I think I like your mom more, yeah.
Where is auntie?
Yeah.
Where is she?
One sec. Mama, Mishti.
Mama, Mishti, they very.
अरे अच्छा, मुझे है ना मिस्टी के कुछ है ना अंदर की
Mama, they are
खबरें
live.
बताओ यार, कुछ ट्रेड सीक्रेट्स बताओ। अभी हम आ गए हैं। आंटी जी आप बताइए मिस्टी के बारे में।
Hi auntie, how are you? How are you?
মিষ্টি ভালো আছি, তুমি কেমন আছো বলো?
I'm amazing auntie. Auntie, Bengali na.
हाँ हाँ, बोल दो। She's so sweet यार। She is Misty. You're not Misty. She is
But
Misty.
being
She's
with
so
Mishti
sweet.
for being with Mishti, you have to learn a bit of Bengali too.
अरे मैं बोला ना, सबसे पहले उसको मैंने बोला है आंटी मुझे 2-4 गालियां सिखा दे, वो सिखाई नहीं रही है। सच कह रहा हूँ मैं, कब से मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जब से हमने शूटिंग चालू की है। हम प्यार से बोलेंगे।
I find, a bit of, I don't get so much of time because of COVID and everything, but the little bit I manage, I steal time and watch. It's too romantic, let me tell you. I
Thank
feel
you
like
auntie.
going back to my age.
अरे क्या बात है, आपने मुझे राजेश खन्ना बना दिया। ओ हो आंटी जी, थैंक यू। आई एम सो हैप्पी।
नहीं
आपके लिए गाना गाना पड़ेगा मुझे
He was
आपके।
never my favorite.
Oh, he was not that
Very
big. अमिताभ बच्चन also for you. क्या नाम है आपका? आपको आंटी नहीं बुलाना है, आपका नाम क्या है मोहतरमा? Well, thank you so much.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
My
Bye.
sister, she is
Bye,
literally giving her IIT exams and all of that. And in between her exams, she keeps sending all Instagram में the premieres,
Seriously?
and, the trailers and everything. And I'm like, dude, go study. And she's like, look at Mishti Didi, look at them. Oh my god, so it's crazy.
Chal,
But thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Thank you for removing time.
Talking to you.
Now we'll chat with some other fans as well.
Yeah.
Yeah?
We have.
Thank you.
Bye,
See you soon.
Isha.
Love
Bye
you.
bye. Love you. Bye.
All right, let's take somebody else on board now, guys. How do you do this first? Let's,
Yeah.
yeah,
Wait.
we take.
See you. I don't know.
Take some Shaki fan, na?
Yeah. Which one?
I mean, everybody.
This, I don't know.
Yeah, let's just take some quick
Your
one. Yeah?
call, sir.
Let's take a quick one. Let's take, guys. Okay, we're just taking someone random. So whoever comes in, obsessed with Shaurya Anoki. So let's see who this person is. Hello, are you there? Okay, one second, ma'am. One second. Hey, Sadhna, how are you doing? Hi guys. One second. Yeah, just see who we can get. Dia.
No.
I mean, what name? Bichai ko dete na. Sharma ji. She's also Sharma only. Dun, 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 dun. I think Dia's really busy. Dia's busy on another live with a boyfriend, I guess.
Well,
from? I don't know. I'm just saying. Hello?
कोई नहीं मतलब
है ना इधर है. ये साक्षी को लेते हैं. Okay, how does this work? Like we're trying to add people and it's not happening. I
आ
think it's
जाएगा.
poor connect.
हम सबको एक साथ ऐड नहीं कर सकते. आ जाएगा थोड़ी देर में.
All right, we'll just take some questions otherwise.
Yeah, I guess that will be better.
है ना?
Yeah, shall we try?
उसको try किया था ना?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, I joined your live, no regrets.
No fear.
Eh?
Okay, पर कोई join ही नहीं हो रहा.
Okay,
मतलब
Richa and these guys have sent you a request. Let's see. Varsha.
Chaudhary.
Hi Varsha, are you there? Hi, I'm from UK. Hi, how you guys doing? How's everything in UK? Yeah. Okay, some.
Yes. Hi, why can't we see you?
I can see her. I can see two people. Okay, I can see three. Hi. अरे कितने लोग दिख रहे हैं? अरे मुझे तो 15 लोग दिख रहे हैं यार.
क्या है?
Hi, why can't we see you? Yeah.
I guess.
Wow, this is interesting. अभी कैसे इसको
I
exit
don't have
करें?
any clue. Wait a second.
Hi.
Hi.
How many people have come in? Wow, we got like. Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself because we've just randomly tagged. Hi, how are you doing? What's your name?
Divya.
Hi, Divya.
Hi, Divya. Divya Sharma.
No, Divya Motiani.
Motiani. Sindhi.
Yes.
Hi, Dado Sutto.
Thank you.
Wow, बहुत अच्छे.
Oh.
Namaste, ma'am. How are you doing?
Hi, namaste.
Sorry for disturbing you all at this hour. We have nothing better to do in life.
बहुत भाई सारा दिन लेके बैठ के 10th की पढ़ाई कब करेगी?
अरे तू पढ़ाई कर यार. इसलिए हम लाइव आए हैं कि उसको बोले कि प्लीज आप पढ़ाई कीजिए. बस सिर्फ आधा घंटा निकालिए रिक्रिएशन एक्टिविटी के लिए 7 बजे बस. और बाकी पूरा दिन पढ़ाई करते हैं.
टीवी में देखिए.
सोते वक्त भी.
टीवी में 7 बजे
हाँ.
देखिए.
Thank you. Thank you.
Auntie, don't worry, she's gonna do well.
All the very best.
We have a lot of confidence in her. She's the future.
All the
Aren't you,
very
dear?
best.
All the very best. And we're gonna chat with a lot of people. So we wish you all the very, very best. Right? Love you too.
Love you too.
चलिए. इसका जो फोन है ना मुझे समझ नहीं आता.
I'll have to figure out something.
हाँ.
Cancel. Okay, so
नहीं.
shall we?
Add it.
Who's this person? I mean, like seriously,
Okay, one
please
second.
log yourself out. I mean,
नहीं, why can't you do that?
I don't know.
इसका फोन है भगवान. हाँ,
हाँ.
ये.
The other one.
Both ना.
Varsha.
Oh my God.
All right, we are taking somebody else on board now. Let's see. Shall we take Chelsea? Hey, Chelsea. Hey, Chelsea.
रुको सबर करो आ जाएंगे.
2-4 लोगों को ऐड करते हैं ना. कितने लोगों को ऐड कर सकते हैं? Instagram is so like alien to me as
मैजिकल
well.
शाखी.
सबको ले लेते हैं. Invite जो भी आ गया. Hi guys.
है. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. What's up?
Hello.
Hi.
यकीन नहीं हो रहा मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ.
Yes, so excited. I'm so lucky too.
I'm from Kanpur. My name is Akriti.
Hi, Akriti.
Aditi या Akriti?
Akriti, right?
Akriti.
Okay,
Akriti.
मेरी heart beat.
कोई नहीं, normal है. Don't worry. So good. I'm also very excited, यार. You should. मैं तो अपना पल्स आपको दिखा देता हूँ अगर आप चाहते हैं. I'm so excited to speak to you.
मैं imagine नहीं कर सकते बहुत ज़्यादा आएगी.
How are you, Akriti? Tell us something about you. Let's talk about
very
you.
good.
You're very good. I know you're very good, but
अभी मैं
besides,
आपके एपिसोड दोबारा देख रही थी फिर पता चला आप लोग लाइव आए तो तुरंत नेटवर्क खत्म हो चुका हॉटस्पॉट लेके.
हाँ.
how nice. So Akriti, कैसा ये लॉकडाउन कैसा चल रहा है तुम्हारे लिए? कानपुर में क्या हो रहा है?
कुछ भी बहुत ठीक ठाक चल रहा है क्योंकि हम सब लोग कोरोना पॉजिटिव हो चुके हैं पूरी फैमिली.
Oh,
But then still precaution लेना पड़ेगा. Don't go outside without mask or something.
सीरियस हालत हो गई थी तो वो एडमिट भी हुए थे.
Oh.
अच्छा, तो is he fine now? Is everything fine? I hope everything is fine.
Yes, वो घर भी आ चुके हैं and he is well.
चलो, very
very
good. तो अंकल को बोला best wishes and he's so strong and everybody else
Thank
also.
you so much for
You know,
joining me.
and don't worry, ये सब होता रहता है यार. It's just life goes on. आप भूल भी जाओगे इसके बारे में. It's okay. You'll come out stronger, like
Yeah.
how everybody does, है ना? So take care of yourself, and we're gonna chat with you soon. And it was lovely having you.
Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you so much.
Take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Okay. All right. So I think questions now.
Yeah.
All right. Love from Bangalore. Hey, thank you so much, guys. Hi. I just only hi and add and once again hi. Hi से आगे भी तो बात कीजिए सर. आपके लिए तो हम लोग आए हैं.
सर मुझे कुछ दिखाई
मैं भी
नहीं
अनुज
दे रहा
इंसान हूँ. क्या है यार तुम्हें मतलब क्या है?
है.
चलो एक लास्ट पर्सन को ऐड करते हैं.
हाँ.
Let's see. Who shall we take? No, it's going to be ma'am.
Someone Shaki from
Ma'am's gonna decide.
some Shakian. But who's this? Shall we take? I don't know. I want.
Lily. Ah, that's nice. You have to decide soon, huh? Life gets over.
Huh? Really? Okay. I don't know.
It doesn't get over, but please decide soon because
Shaki.
लोग सोच रहे हैं कि शक्ल दिख रही है और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. फटाफट करते हैं.
अरे
Take
अभी तो
anybody.
I
Yeah, you
have
must
to
add 2-3 people, no? Doesn't matter. Everyone's our buddy over here.
Hello. Hi, Devi.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, I cannot believe this.
Believe अभी क्या
हाँ.
believe अभी.
वो देख उसकी हालत खराब हो गई जैसे बात करके. Believe अभी है.
Love you both a lot.
Oh.
Thank you.
And Kiwi sir, you said that you will come live
Shadi.
and
Hi.
I was seeing your profile, but then I suddenly saw that Debadi was live.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, she decided. यार मैं actually decide कर रहा था कि अपने प्रोफाइल से जाऊं, but then she didn't like the idea, so she's a senior actor, तो respect देनी पड़ती है.
Kiwi sir, you made
मुझे
a drawing
बहुत
for you.
lame लगा. क्या? Sorry.
I made a drawing for you.
Oh
I
sure.
posted. Like I will share it with you. Please check.
Okay.
All right.
Please do. Please email us as well because
Yeah.
please send it to us.
It was very, very, very good. Like loving
Thank you.
it.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
yeah,
much.
for all the love.
Thank you so much. आज का क्या सबसे अच्छा क्या मोमेंट लगा आपको?
आज का सबसे best moment was the I love you ones. Like everybody was posting that शायद वो सिंदूर real होता.
What?
How sweet यार,
Thank you,
how
man.
sweet, you know,
Thank
वो
you.
रियली था, इतना रियल था कि इसकी आंखों में भी भर गया था, तो उसको इतनी इरिटेशन होती थी
नहीं,
उससे।
टर्मरिक पाउडर की स्मेल आ रही
हाँ
थी।
हाँ, it was really like a lot of fun यार, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इसको ऐसे है ना, मतलब होली के टाइम से ना यही चलते जा रहा है, कभी ना वो रंग
But
डाल देते
even
हैं,
you
कभी
should
ये
have
डाल,
been accepted the proposal. You should have accepted.
या
है ना,
अभी
she should
आगे
have,
आगे देखो
but
क्या होता है।
there's no fun ना in a relationship, and if you have two strong people, मेरा ये मानना है कि then they have their own ideologies and
Yeah.
both have to meet somewhere, you know, in the middle. तो आई थिंक वो ही वर्क करता है, जो उसने सिंपल बोला कि अगर तुम मुझे एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे एज अ इक्वल तो फिर बात ही
Yeah.
नहीं है। तो उसकी आइडियोलॉजी ने उसको शायद रोका है, या उसने जो सीखा है उसको रोका है, तो शौर्य भी कहीं ना कहीं, यू नो, सो दे हैव टू कम एट पावर, यू नो, एंड एक रिलेशनशिप सुंदर और अच्छा तभी बनता है जब दोनों इक्वल होते हैं। बट आप आगे वाले एपिसोड जरूर देखना, बिकॉज हमने अभी इन्हीं कुछ दिनों में बहुत बहुत मेहनत करके और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली शूट किया, वी हैड अ ब्लास्ट।
एंड ब्यूटीफुल एपिसोड्स आने वाले हैं आगे।
Sir, I want to clear one thing. Sir, is the show going off fair?
No, not at
No,
all.
no.
With your love, as long as
So,
you guys are supporting us, I don't
As
think
long as
you
you guys
don't
are
have to worry.
supporting
Yeah,
us,
you don't have
it
to
will
worry.
go.
there are so
Trust me.
many
Yeah.
rumors that in June and July the show must go off fair because of the TRP.
No, I think we're doing good. Yeah, you know, we're doing good. There's no complaints from anybody. So, and I
Yeah.
think we all are in fact very very happy, including the channel. You know, so I don't think you have to think about all of this. This is just like बोलने के लिए, न्यूज डालने के लिए किसी ने डाल दिया, तो you know, it's just take it as a great point, you know.
It's a rumor kind.
Yeah, so don't worry. You have to deal with us for a long period of time.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Right.
much for adding.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And we're going to be chatting with other people as well. But thank you for supporting us
Thank you so
and
much.
coming up with like
Lots of love.
lovely content. So thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, guys. So thank you to. Okay, let's talk about. We'll talk about few moments. Since you know today was yesterday and today was so special for everybody.
Yeah.
You know, there's always a little bit of a pressure when you know it's only two characters driving the show ahead. Obviously, it is Shaurya and Anokhi, and it's their kahani. But at the same time, you know, this is the most anticipated portion, and here on is their real love story, which is going to blossom. तो काफी प्रेशर था, देवात्मा पे इतना प्रेशर था कि पूछो नहीं, उसको उसकी रातों की नींद खराब हो गई, वो सोती नहीं थी, यू नो, सेट पे आती थी तो दूसरों को भी नहीं सोने देती थी। तो बहुत बहुत मेहनत की है देवात्मा ने,
नहीं, बट यू नो
सक्सेसफुल हुई।
हम दोनों ने बहुत मेहनत की है। अगर
मैं तो करती हूँ,
मैं भी करती हूँ।
नहीं, मैंने तो कह ही दिया, आप तो सोते वक्त भी करते हो।
रातों की नींद उड़ जाती है।
नहीं, but seriously, you know, we've worked. I mean, she's outdone herself. You know,
Even you did.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
ये लीजिए 500 रुपए।
नहीं, it's okay. Touch wood first.
तो she's really done a wonderful job. You know, मैं इसको कहते रहता हूँ. You know, sudden कुछ हो जाता है scene में. You know, when an artist doesn't realize what they've done, and they've done something magical. So I mean, she's held the show strong since couple of weeks now, 3 weeks, and it's so commendable. In fact, मुझे लग रहा था कि जब वो when Shaurya was kidnapped, तो काफी अच्छा देवात्मा ने काम किया, and she's inspirational as a character, Anokhi as well. So बहुत अच्छा करती हैं ये, and बहुत ही उम्दा एक्टर हैं, तो definitely, you know, and behind the scenes हम लोग को इतना टाइम ही नहीं मिलता, because we are in a crunch
entire
of
day.
Yeah, you know, it's a little
involved रहता है.
Yes, television is
we
hectic.
don't have an inch of time like to do anything, to be
Yeah,
very frank.
Absolutely.
हम lunch break मिलता है, we come have our lunch and immediately sir चलिए shot के लिए ready, मैम चलिए shot के लिए ready. So this is how our day.
In fact, मुझे आफ्टरनून siesta लेने की आदत है, तो मैं तो अगर कभी लंच नहीं भी मिलता तो मतलब मैं सोने की कोशिश करता हूँ, just get like a quick shut eye and everything, just to थोड़ा revive हो जाता है इंसान, you know,
और
you have
मेरा
better thoughts and
ऐसा
fresh
है
हो जाते हैं,
कि
and she cannot sleep, है ना?
no, I can sleep, but then I need time for both, and I need to have food. अगर मैंने
Yeah.
खाना नहीं खाया तो I become cranky.
Yeah, she's a big foodie,
Yeah.
you know, so which is a good thing because वो जब अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचती है ना, तो पहले वो सोचती है कि वो खाएगा क्या खा रहा होगा,
बहुत लेम था.
क्या खा रहा होगा, वो गुंडा क्या खा रहा होगा उस टाइम पे जब उसने सीन किया. She loves food that much.
मेरे expression देख रहे हो ना? Look at my expression.
Yes, like the movies. Yes, thank you. A lot of people are talking about this also. Yes.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Then la 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 la. La 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 something.
हाँ.
La 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 la. La 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 la. I don't know the lyrics.
Oh,
Na 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 na.
इतना बेहुदा गाया इन्होंने, पहली बार अपना खुद का नाम खराब कर रहे हैं लाइव पे.
कौन सा गाना था वो जो the one I was
Select करके
talking
ना.
about. नहीं the one I was
सासू.
talking. नहीं, not the सासू.
मेरी फिल्म का, कौन सी फिल्म का?
हाँ यार, मतलब वो एक M से.
हाँ, M से मरीज़े इश्क.
मरीज़े इश्क बताओ. I don't
हाँ.
know the lyrics, you know, चार लाइन उस गाने की. But then you know, it was one of my favorites.
हाँ.
It is actually.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
And believe me, मैंने उसको ये कहने के लिए नहीं कहा. अगर आप लोगों को लगता है तो.
नहीं, किसी ने
He's
कुछ नहीं
genuinely
कहा.
a big fan of the songs. Like we, I mean, even I like the fan. I like the fan. I like the music. I like the fans also. I like the music also. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? अच्छा, please listen to me. Patiala है ना? Yes, Patiala is my favorite place. Like
I didn't want to come back
from Patiala. हाँ.
Nice.
Marizesh. Who's this? With love.
Oh, he's my friend, Shaik. He's my
Yeah,
friend.
how are you doing?
He's also an actor. He's an actor. Like West Bengal में he's like working right now.
Love you guys. तो मैं इसके यहाँ टाइप भी कर रहा हूँ फोन पे.
Very nice.
मल्टीटास्क कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Love you guys. ये मैंने डाला है. ठीक है, तो बाद में मैं कॉम्प्लीमेंट देना आप लोग.
अरे Jay, hi Jay.
हाँ क्या है?
He's my friend.
No, she's a good singer. अरे भाई मुझे भी पता है, पूरी दुनिया को पता है. क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
Oh,
You know?
that day, you know, someone came.
What's the one moment from Saag which is unforgettable? One moment from.
कितने सारे moments हैं.
You know, मेरे लिए अभी अगर हम बात करें ना, तो मेरे लिए जो सीन को आप जब रिहर्स करते हैं और जब एक्चुअली सीन होता है और रिहर्सल से थोड़ा अलग और थोड़ा बेटर हो जाता है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड हो जाता है, तो मेरे लिए वो मोमेंट्स मुझे बहुत कैप्टिवेट करते हैं. यू नो, क्योंकि हम लोग कभी कभी ऐसा कुछ कर जाते हैं जो हमें आइडिया भी नहीं होता, क्योंकि आप इमोशंस में कहते हैं ना कि यू जस्ट गेट इनटू इट, दैट ड्राइव्स यू, यू नो, योर परफॉर्मेंस, योर को एक्टर एंड एवरीबॉडी ड्राइव्स यू. तो वो सारी चीजें बहुत पसंद है हमें. लाइक फॉर मी unexpected scenes, like for example, बहुत पहले मैंने एक ऐसा सीन किया था. Remember, we were shooting for like some 17 hours or something, you know,
I
that
guess,
day, and
yeah.
I was so like done. I had no energy,
Yeah.
and
And
I
that was
think,
our last scene.
and then I did not drive the scene. I just went there, like, and we all went there just like that only.
I didn't read also.
And आस्था के साथ confrontation, उसको sorry बोलना था because अनोखी बुलवाती है, वैसा सीन हो गया. तो वहां पे भी हम लोगों ने डिसाइड नहीं किया था. Then with us also, like there's an upcoming track where, you know, Shaurya becomes very very naughty. तो मस्ती करता है इसके साथ बहुत सारी. तो आई थिंक आप लोग वो मोमेंट बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. हाँ, तो अभी है ना, बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे. तो कैसे कहाँ क्या मस्ती करता है, डोंट आस्क ऑल दैट, बट इसके साथ मस्ती करता है. यू नो, ही हैज अ लॉट ऑफ फन, यू नो, एंड plays with her, and she's like all very serious, like कोई हमें
No, I'm like कि मैं मतलब अनोखी is like कि reality पे आ जाओ, मतलब you know.
And Shaurya has become this lover boy, dream boy, you know, always dreaming of Anokhi, his soulmate. So yeah, all right. So I think you know, first of all, we'll talk about a little bit. You know, we'll talk for 2 minutes about you know, the days that have been and all that. तो आज के जिन लोगों ने episodes नहीं देखे हैं, you guys must see it because
Yeah,
obviously
needs to, yeah.
it's a beautiful love story at the
Yeah.
same time it's very real.
Yeah.
Very good writing. हम लोग इतने खुश हुए थे कि
Yeah.
ऐसे डायलॉग्स आए हैं, ऐसा स्क्रीन प्ले आया है. So we were really excited. And at the same time, there were a few moments like if I had to ask you, what was the best moment about the 2 days that we shot for that sequence?
It was all beautiful. Like एक तो like मेरे साथ ये problem होता है अक्सर because काफी scenes like I love doing, एक moment वहां से निकाल नहीं सकते. That's the issue.
Right. So
Beautiful.
if I have to,
The lines,
what was
the
your
dialogues.
moment where you felt connected and good as an artist?
The confrontation part. वहां पे जाके मंदिर वाला after मंदिर scenes. अगर प्रीकैप में तो देख ही लिया होगा.
वो मंदिर का वाइब कुछ तेरे को लगा मतलब when you were there it took over? है ना?
Yeah,
हाँ, that place, oh God, वहाँ एक तो है ना, it is not the most comfortable place to be क्योंकि एक तो it's like सनी के ऐसे hilltop पे है, very beautiful, very secluded. फिर इतना beautifully decorate किया था, एक मंदिर था जैसे very simple, real, जैसे एक मंदिर होता है ना, किसी ने भक्तों ने रख दिया है ऐसा कि हम है ना यहाँ पे पूजा करेंगे, यहाँ पे हाँ है ना, नहीं मतलब it was not a real mandir. हम लोगों ने we really made it into something, but that place took over, and सब लोग उस मंदिर को respect दे रहे थे, and जैसे जूते उतार के है ना वहाँ काम किया जा रहा था, हम लोगों ने जूते उतार दिए थे, and that moment, like when I मैं ऐसे जूते उतार के वो था ना naturally आप है ना पहले नीचे छूते हैं और फिर है ना हाथ जोड़ते हैं, it just happened. And that moment was captured while the camera was rolling because I was like, अरे मंदिर आ गए, अरे जूते निकालने, तो वो सारी moments खुद बन गई, and it was so beautiful, and the way she was doing agarbatti, and that place was so peaceful, क्योंकि it was not an easy place, like जैसे मैं भाग के आ रहा हूँ, मतलब
रॉकी
छोटे और तीखे बड़े पत्थर भी थे, छोटे पत्थर भी थे, छोटे पत्थर,
small pebbles,
so it's just very difficult. At the same time, it's a lot of fun to work in difficult situations because it brings the best in you. तो वो बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें. And at the same time, I think अगर हम ये moments की बात करें, तो hats off to the give and take because after some time, one part of the day you get exhausted. And
even if we got exhausted, we didn't feel like giving up on the scene. We were like, because this was such an important
even
scene.
our the entire crew, direction team, cinematography, I was seeing this lovely aerial shot and I had no idea it looked like that, because हम लोग नीचे थे and we had to get done with the location and the shoot. तो एक aerial shot जो आया है, I don't know if you've seen it because I saw a clip. There's a beautiful aerial shot where you see
yeah.
And you can see a lovely, dreamy, space, or Lotus Pond and everything. It's just we were just blessed to have that place.
Yeah. I could see fishes.
Yeah, fish. We could see a lot of fish, and it was
the
wonderful.
Water was clean.
हाँ, वो मैंने खुद है ना बिस्लरी का पानी डाला था उसके अंदर. Anyways, coming to the point, guys, we enjoyed the shoot, and more than anything else, we enjoyed your company.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for having us.
Yeah.
And we love you. So keep tuning in. We'll throw in a lot of BTS, a lot of fun.
We'll try to do that because
Yes.
it's not possible because of shortage of time.
Yeah. But we'll try our best. We'll do our best, and and love you and keep safe.
Love you guys.
Get vaccinated.
And thanks
And
for
yeah,
supporting
wear a
us
mask.
always.